Hey YouTube, welcome back to another latest news from Samsung. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the Galaxy A52 and A72 devices which are going to be launching on a special event that is especially designed for these two devices, and this is going to be for the first time we are seeing from quite a long time that Samsung is planning to introduce a special event for their A series devices. It's going to be held on March 17 as the teaser you are looking at on your screen gives us a detail that it is going to be a March 17 day that Samsung is launching these two devices. And honestly, all the spec sheet and their hands-on look design has been already known on the internet, and we are aware of all their spec sheet pricing of both the 4G and 5G models. And what is interesting right now that we are also know the Galaxy A52 5G box content as well, and even the hands-on video and unboxing video has already been arrived, and it also gives us pretty much good detail what this device is capable of. Particularly first we are going to talk about the hands-on video. It gives us a pretty much good detail that the design of that particular device is looking pretty much similar to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and honestly it's looking great on the back. The camera bump on the back is looking a little bit on the thicker side, but the ring on the cameras are looking gorgeous. Even the matte black finish which is coming from the Galaxy A52 device resembles to the Galaxy S21 Ultra matte black finish, and honestly I am loving that color. Even though we don't have the back which is going to be of a gloss, it's looking like it's going to be of a plasticky side, but still we are not seeing any kind of fingerprint on the back side, so that is amazing. Some other things which are even noticeable that you will see in these images are already that the Galaxy A52 5G is going to be coming with a charger inside the box. Really, that is going to be an amazing thing that Samsung is putting inside the box. And if you believe the YouTube video that has been giving us detail about the unboxing of Galaxy A52 device, then it is going to be a 15-watt charger inside the 5G variant of Galaxy A52. Although we don't know about the A52 4G variant, but it is going to be having a charger inside the box or not, and honestly it is going to be looking great. Also in the box we are going to see a silicone cover case that is going to be absolutely amazing deal inside the Samsung devices, and even the headphone jack are also present with some startup guides, and SIM ejector pin are also available. One of the things which I am really loving about the Galaxy A52 5G device is honestly it's going to be supported of IP67 rating. This makes this device to be really good in terms of recommendation. Also the front panel is going to be AMOLED display, and it's going to support 90Hz for 4G variant and 120Hz for 5G variant, and on top of that we are also going to be having a support for micro SD of up to 1 TB. Along with that, we are also going to see massive 4500 mAh of a battery capacity inside the Galaxy A52 device, and also the back camera is going to be of 64 megapixel, which also support the optical image stabilization and makes this device as one of those devices which are going to be absolutely great in terms of pricing. The pricing is pretty much similar to the Galaxy A51 devices which were previously launched, so we can expect that there is going to be a price tag 6 gigs and 128 gigs of storage to be around $330 for the 4G variant, and the 5G variant is going to be expected to come with $440 of price tags. As far as the Galaxy A72 is concerned, it is going to be a little bit different on towards the camera department, because we are going to see for the first time that the Galaxy A series device is going to be supported a 3x of optical zoom inside. It will support a 30x zoom, which is going to be absolutely amazing, and making this device as one of those devices other than flagship level devices which are going to be supporting that kind of zoom capability. Other than that, we have a spec sheet which is going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy A52 devices. And guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. I hope that the Samsung is going to bring this device to all of the markets, and we will also test that particular device in our hand as well. And let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion regarding the Galaxy A52 device in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.